Looks like we are live now. Guys, if you're new here, my name is Shrey and you are watching Shrey TV, baby. I am good now. The Zyrtec antihistamines worked for me yesterday. Well, like I mentioned yesterday, Bitcoin, look, Bitcoin was revolving 30,300 yesterday when I said that it's possible that we might go hit between, I would say, 28 to $28,000 to, yeah, a wick could go to $28,000. Yeah, that's what I think. And you might see a bounce right now coming in Bitcoin. Just like you see this, I scribbled how I expect Bitcoin to act. So you might see it gradually go up to, we might possibly hit $30,000 and then go back down to $28,000. Yes, that's what I expect, because I expect a pullback in altcoins too, right? So a small pullback, nothing huge, nothing massive. It's just there to kill time, okay? We have to kill some time. That's why we would do that. Go back up to $30,000, $29,900, possibly $30,000, and then come back down to 28. Next few days, that's what I'm expecting. So a sideways action. But are you ready for the alt season? Guys, when Bitcoin gets done with this consolidation of $28,000 and when it's ready to move, I think this is when you will get your alt season. You will see altcoins pumping when Bitcoin tries to get out of this consolidation of this range. This range where Bitcoin will try to get out of this range. This is when altcoins I expect to pump. Okay, let's, for example, look at Zilliqa. Zilliqa went almost close to where it was previously. Like you can say the last high came very close. So I could see it consolidate for a few days and print something like this. I expect Zilliqa to do something like this for the next few weeks. You could see Zilliqa probably retest this level 0.0383. Yeah, and it would go up, but you would see this way until, I would say, May, June. You would see highs, but not exuberant high. But once this is done with this minuscule dumps, it goes up and then it starts moving up high without any dumps ferociously. Somewhere in June, July, you get this huge turn up in altcoins, right? But until then, you would see your altcoins go up, but with minuscule dumps, they will go up. But that alt season, somewhere in July, August, will be magnificent. Until May, I would see altcoins will go up until May, but not that great. But then there'll be a narrative: sell in May and go away. Sell in May and go away is a huge narrative on sell in May and go away is a huge narrative on Wall Street, right? Usually what happens is brokers and dealers, they want to enjoy their vacations. So they usually, there's not much trading going on during those periods, because even the market makers needs to go on a holiday, right? But will this time, because if a lot of people will sell in May and go away, they would miss out on this magnificent alt season that is going to happen in June, July, August. I think the extreme highs will come in June, July, August for altcoins. But until then, we could be slow. We will be going up, but gradually. How's everyone? Paresh Tumar, Omar Perez. I don't think it's going to 28K. It's going to go up after this dump. What's up, Shrey? Man, you called Spell Token dropping down. Some other coins are doing that too. But you're usually spot on with most of your predictions. Crazy. I need more SLP though. Nikki Stevenson. Hello, Shrey. Your channel. Love your channel. Okay, thanks, Nikki. Appreciate it. So, Nikki, looks like you're new here, right? You from United States, Nikki? Guys, make sure to hit that like. I see just a few likes here. Sometimes you forget. I know it's not deliberate. Just make sure to hit that like. It helps the algos. The algo gods need your loving. So, as I mentioned, Zilliqa, I do expect a huge, I'm very bullish about Zilliqa. Zilliqa is even trending on Twitter right now. See, I think it's going to have a magnificent cycle. Here, you see Elon Musk talking about inflation. What happens to money if you supply money? If the money supply, if you just keep on printing money, what's going to happen to a dollar? Right? Back in the day, 1960s, a single family home used to be able to buy for, say, $10,000, right? Even if your household income was $1,000, it's not difficult to buy a $10,000 home. You know what I mean? Now incomes have increased. It looks like it have increased, say $30,000, $40,000, but the prices of homes, the same home which was $10,000 is worth $250,000 to $300,000. So the money, the thing that, for example, back in the day, I can see in India, a samosa. You know what's a samosa? It's a snack. We used to get a samosa for, say, 5 rupees. In 5 rupees, we used to get one samosa. Now you have to pay freaking 20 or 30 rupees for a samosa. So it's crazy, yeah, but wages haven't gone up. So your savings in the bank, say last 2 years ago, if you had $100,000 saved in the bank, they are worth right now, I would say $50,000, because everything has gone up. The cost of building a home has gone up because copper wires have gone up, wood have gone up, everything else, raw materials have gone up, prices of labor gone up. So the value of your money, that $100,000, is $50,000 right now. If you count in inflation, the inflation they talk about right now, the way they count it is 10%, 8%, 7%, right? But I don't think it's very accurate the way they count inflation. But what I'm trying to say is dollar has gone down since 1950s. It has lost its value 98%. Other currencies have gone negative. $1 used to be 1 rupee. 1 rupee in India in 1950s was equal to $1. Right now, $1 equals 81 rupees. Imagine how much Indian currency have lost. Imagine how much Turkish lira. Turkish lira used to be, I think it used to be one lira for $1. So US dollar has lost its value, but compared to, the other currencies, we are still, best of the worst. Okay. So yeah, man. So that's why you get into crypto, gold, silver. Because I remember I bought my first gold coin when it was $230. This was my first investment ever I've done, out of my savings. I bought a $230 gold coin in 2002. Gold was so cheap. Right now, gold is running somewhere around, let's see, what's the price of gold? Gold, 1 ounce of gold. See, 1994. It runs somewhere almost close to $2,000. Crazy. I think gold's ready to pump too. Gold's gonna have a good run in this cycle. I do think gold's going to, I would say, somewhere around. This is a big barrier to cross for gold. Sorry, guys. Went from crypto to gold, but that's how it works. Oh, I was missing out on this. Look at that. Look at that cycle. Man, gold's gonna gold's going to explode. Guys, I think 2200, 2300 gold is coming. 2300 gold is coming very, very soon. Let me get rid of this so you're able to get the idea. Why am I saying so? Let's look at the monthly, weekly. Look at that. Gold went little above, created a new all-time high and been consolidating. Retest once, retest twice. I think it's ready. Look at this cup and handle pattern. It's important to learn charts, man. It doesn't matter if it's gold, silver, anything, any assets. It's irrelevant. It's good to learn and monitor everything so that you're able to gauge, what's going on in the markets, right? So it created this nice cup, and then it created a handle. I call this a nice handle. Look at this. Cup and handle. Like a teacup. Do you see like a teacup formation? Usually leads to a high. If this is the channel, wow. The top of this channel is coming out to somewhere around $3,000, man. If that happens, it's going to be crazy. It's going to get crazy. Let's be conservative and just say, yeah, man, the top of this channel is coming out to $3,000. Whichever way you look at it, if you look at a monthly, let's look at the monthly. I wouldn't be surprised if gold goes this high. Yes. Oh my God. 3,000 plus. 3,000 plus gold. That will be crazy. It'll be insane. These gold bugs are gonna go crazy. If gold pumps a little bit, these gold bugs go crazy. But what if gold pumps to $3,000 to 3,500? Between 3,000 to 3,500, these gold bugs are going to go bonkers. Yeah, that's where I think it's going. Look at that. Symmetry. Every time we stopped by this line, right? So I think $3,000 gold, being modest, $3,000 gold is coming. I think the wick could pass to $3,800. I wouldn't be surprised even $3,500 gold in 2024, 2025. That'll be crazy, crazy. For gold bugs are going to go nuts, including me. I love gold. I love gold. Anything that preserves my wealth, I love that asset, including crypto. Crypto is still the fastest horse. That's why the only thing with gold and silver is you're able to hold the physical gold and silver. That's the plus point. Digitally, you can lose your, wallet, right? Somebody can steal it, or you can lose it, or it can go in the water, something like that. Mishaps could happen, or the crypto exchange goes bust. Something odd can happen, but with gold and silver, you can, still have possession. That's why I diversify in real estate, gold, silver, and crypto. But crypto is my favorite right now because it's the fastest horse in the race. The amount of gains that you would get in Zilliqa, for example, I expect a pump. I expect a pump to at least this level. By July, about between 16 to 20 cents. 16 to 20 cents. I would say 18 to 20 cents would be minimum I would expect for Zilliqa. And we'll see. I expected much higher, but I'm being conservative right now. I do expect Zilliqa to hit somewhere around this level. That is between 50 to 60 cents at some point in the cycle, and then have a huge correction. But some sort of correction would come around, I would say 18 to 20 cents Zilliqa. 18 to 20 cents Zilliqa. But yeah, I think it would come fast. It would come fast. So the amount of gains, look at that. Here in crypto, you could gain 400, 500% just like that. If we go to 19, 20 cents, it's 500% gains for Zilliqa. If we go to this level, 55 that I'm talking about, that would be a rally, that'll be almost a 15x. If it goes to 53 cents, 15x. I have a lot of Zilliqa. It's crazy amount of Zilliqa I have. I'm so happy with it. Anyways, how's everyone? Yes, Tennessee, Knoxville. Okay, awesome. Welcome, Nikki. How did you came to know about my channel? Is it through Crypto Lifer or something else? How did you come across my channel for the first time? Let's see what's pumping and what's dumping. Super Farm still pumping. Super Farm is a project from one of the crypto influencers, YouTube guy. I'm not sure. There are times when cryptos do this. They create this pattern. Here, let me show you. Come on, buddy. They do this. Right there. And then the bull run starts. You know, they go up like crazy, exponentially high. Huge run up. And then consolidation for a long time. Something like this could happen. So Super Farm could be getting ready to do this. You know, I would watch out for this level right here. This level right here. You know, we could go kiss this level and then dump from there. You know, I wouldn't be surprised if the Super Farm pumps to this level right there. So about 220% pump for Super Farm. Just looking at the cycle, it's just new coin. That's why I don't know if this is the full cycle of Super Farm. It's possible that it was way higher than I expect, you know, right here, and it's been coming down. But I could see from what we have here, if it's able to cross this and go up and consolidate, then I would change my perspective. So if it does this and comes back down on this channel and starts to consolidate, then I would see that it's going up. Okay, so this level 55 cents is a critical level for Super Farm. What else? Let's see. Bond. My name is Bond. James Bond. One of my friends, best friend's name is Hardik. Hardick. He's in India. So I tell him, you gotta come to the United States. Introduce yourself. My name is Dick. Hardik. Bond. Okay, let's see. Bond. Let's look at Bitcoin. What do you think, guys? don't rely on this pump. Not yet. Against Bitcoin. Can even break this and I wouldn't be I could do this and then just it could be a liquidity grab. Okay, let's see how much did it come down from the top and we'll decide. 98 point almost 99% drawdown from against Bitcoin. That's not bad, but I've seen the drawdown of 99.99%. 100% I've seen. So let's see against dollar. See what I mentioned previously, like cryptos like to do that. They like to create this pattern. Do this. Right, something like that. So once that is done, then it gets ready to go higher. If it loses this level right here, then I think it might. Yeah, look at this. It's building a triangle. We'll see. If it's able to, if it's gonna go up, then it has to break. Even if it breaks bullish here, I'll be skeptical, man, because it could just be a liquidity grab and just go down like that. I don't think Bond Bridge is ready right now. What did it go down? Let's see. Bond went down 98.66%. Yeah, but there's always a possibility for a little lower because it's newer. This coin's been there since 2020. Right? Since its launch, it's been just going down. How many days? It's been bearish for 903 days. Well, it's coming to that number. My number is about 1100 to 1200 days of bearish cycle. Usually cryptos have that. So we're coming close to that number. But yeah, if it loses this level right there, then it would come back down. I would say 618 lies to 75 cents, 75 to 58 cents, I would say, for Bond Bridge. Bond Bridge, if it loses this level, it could come back down to, I would say, between 75 to 58. Bond Bridge. Like this. Blake. Oh, my good friend Blake. Okay, Nikki. Thanks, Blake. Jasmine and Track did good. Yeah, man. Altura price ALU. Can you look at it, please? Sure. Altura. ALTURA. Blake is my Patreon and a friend. I started my Patreon because of Blake. Look at Altura against Bitcoin. Well, bro, what should I say? Not convinced. Not convinced with this pump. Against Bitcoin, at least against Bitcoin, I feel it'll come back down. Altura is not ready yet. I think it would do this against Bitcoin, right, and then have a breakout like that. So I would say until June, it could be suppressed. Let's see. Altura against dollar. Pumped 385%, so that's a good comeback from the bottom. Good comeback. I would say it's a good comeback from the bottom. Can it go a little higher? I think it might be able to go a little higher, but it's coming. I would say it's coming close. Look at the RSI. I think it has a little. It can run a little bit more. But let's see. Yeah, just a little more. I would say possibly, if you're lucky, then another 35-40% possibly before you see a down leg. You know, it's possible it starts going down right now. You know, might have. Yeah, not sure about it right now. You know, I think because I'm expecting a pullback in you know, after a while I would expect a pullback. Right now I expect a little small pump of Bitcoin to $29,800 to $30,000, and then after that I expect a dump for Bitcoin to about $28,000. So it's possible we might go, you know, pump and then come back down, consolidate a little bit more before the next leg up. Okay, possible. I have to look into it more thoroughly to get an idea. But think about it. This has gone down 98%. Yeah. But this is where it's going. Altura, I would say 2024. So yeah, I would say $2 in 2024. It's possible, but I wouldn't be surprised if this thing goes to this level and then comes back down before going higher like that. Okay, just saying, it's possible. The way it's structured, it looks like that. It has to, I feel it has to waste this time here because it's a newer coin. I feel it has to waste some time here. Okay. Yeah, there's not much history to it, so I cannot be precise. Yeah, with little older coin, I can do that because I have a little more history to work with. This is a younger coin, so you know, it could just, I could be totally wrong, and this could just pump like a motherfucker. You know, just go up like that, up. You then come back down. You see how Bitcoin Cash did. Let me show you. Bitcoin Cash in its first cycle, what it did. See here how it was. So Altura could do exactly like that. See the structure, how the structure is here of this. Looks like Altura, right? Look at that. Look at this and look at that. Okay, look at this. Look at that. It's crazy similar, right? Look where Bitcoin Cash went. Right. Looking $100, $100 for Altura if it takes that cycle. You know what I mean? That'd be crazy if it takes that cycle. Wow, I don't think that's gonna happen. That's a 100x or something crazy, right? Yeah, that'll be crazy. But anything can happen in crypto, man. Look at that. You know, like 33, say $33. If it goes to 33, be conservative. It's still 100x, not 100x. It's 1,000x. Oh, it's 1,000x, right? It's 100,000%. If it takes this route, that'll be crazy. That'll be crazy. I don't think that happens, but hey, you never know. Okay, this is a new crypto, so I cannot. Yeah, look at that. Wow, $100. Yeah, $100, man. That'd be crazy. Crazy. $100. What's the market cap? Just for fun, let's look at the market cap of this coin. Altura. Altura. Where do you find these coins, man? Blake? $27 million market cap. 719 million circulating supply. Max supply 990 million. What exchanges is this available? Gate.io, PancakeSwap. Quite a few exchanges here. Solar eclipse tomorrow, start of solar cycle. Bullish, they say. Okay. Hey, Shrey, glad you are feeling better. Sang, yeah, man. Oh my God, yesterday I felt so bad. As soon as I got done with the stream, man, I got knocked out. I slept and I woke up 9:30, 9:45 in the eve. Then I was working. I felt a little better. So I was working till 2 o'clock in the morning. And then I slept back. So I slept a lot. I woke up straight 9 o'clock in the morning today. So I slept well. William Carroll. Hi, Poland man. Straight TV loves XCN. Called the bottom but NFA. Yeah, man. XCN did really good, right? Shrey, you charted XPRT a few weeks ago and said it could go to 0.25 and it's at 0.26. You are amazing. Thank you, Bill. I appreciate it, brother. Okay, let's look at XPRT. One of my friends is a YouTuber too. He tries to find good coins. Okay, find good coins. Okay, nice. Free, how are you, brother? So XPRT. Okay. Yeah, that looks like a bottom, man. That looks like a bottom to me. XPRT. I shouldn't say bottom, but like you know, for this cycle, I think it's done. It should go. It should pump and go sideways. So expect a pump from here, you know, to at least this much pump, and then to go, you know, do sideways action like that. I would expect some sort of pump right now. Yeah, at least 150%, you know, 100% pump at least. You know, I wouldn't be surprised if it pumps 100% at this point. I'll have to look into it, like, you know, properly. Bill. Major pump on AVN this week. Okay. AVN. Ideally, if it has gone this far, if this coin has gone this far low, then I would say at some point it's gonna reach at least, you know, that would complete its cycle once it reaches 18 cents. Bill, I wouldn't be surprised. It might not happen right now, but you know, right now I'm bullish on this. It would pump because it's at that level, but it could go up even to these levels, you know, and come back down, go like this, and then dump to come to 18 cents, you know, at some point in the cycle. When, how it's going to happen, I don't know, but it could, you know, reach 4236 level, just come and kiss, and then a new cycle would start for what is this, persistence. Yeah, it's possible. It might even happen a lot quicker than that. Don't go on this scribble, but how many days it's been there? This project's been in existence since 742 days. So I would say I'll be bearish on this for about 1100 days. You know, even every pump, I would say would come back down. So it'll be a time to take some profits if it pumps. About 1100 days. Yeah, 1100, 1200 days, I would start to get bullish on this coin. So until then, we could possibly do this too, you know, go up like that, and come back down like this, you know, and then start our cycle somewhere in 2024. So it would pump. It's ready to pump right now. So it is possible that we go to this level right there. See? To $1.40, something like that. $1, even $2. It could, you know, if it wants to just jerk around, it could possibly go touch this level. But I'm not bearish now. Once it has reached this level, I'm bullish right now on this coin. This coin is ready to pump. Resistance. Pulse Chain, Hex Crypto, P-Hex, E-Hex, blockchain nodes. Any thoughts on Pepe and Wojak? Well, I was not able to find a proper chart for Pepe. I was looking into Pepe. It pumped a lot, Pepe. Pepe. Here, just see only one day you see this coin. I don't see where do you find Pepe coin? Where do I find the chart? CoinX, let's see if I'm able to find a daily. It just pumped today. Like someone said on Twitter that Pepe, if you had about 2 weeks ago, if you had 2 weeks or a week ago, if you had $10,000 in it, it would be worth about $3 million or $2 million, something like that. But nobody knows, man. It's luck, okay? It's not. You don't have to be a genius. You have to be. It has to be luck. Okay, I found a chart. Okay, found this chart for Pepe. It says MC Pepe's. It's not Pepe. Is it? Yeah, I don't see a chart. I just see a one-day chart. That's it. So yeah, man, it's a gamble. Okay, it's a gamble. Pepe is a gamble. You know, it has pumped quite a bit. So it's not been even 7 days. Yeah, less than 7 days Pepe came into existence. Right, it was $31 million volume right here. Yeah. Why can't I find Pepe chart? Where is it available? The question is. Uniswap, Gate.io. Okay. Huobi. Pepe is on Huobi? Quite a few exchanges. Where do you have the highest volume is on Gate.io. No, not Gate. It's MEXC. Let's see if we are able to find that exchange here. That's the one, right? Is that the one? Pepe USD. I think that's it. What do you think? The price is 0.00124. Oh, that's not it. Price is what? 0.0000312. Well, just looking at it, man, it's just you know, I don't know how far it'll go. It cannot be, it's a risk. You want to take a risk, take it. It's $132 million market cap. It could be a rug pull. Who knows? The thing was, it went up 100,000% or something like that. Crazy. Okay, number. On an overview, if you look at the chart. Just in 7 days. Look at it. Pepe is on Poloniex, but I'm not able to see the whole chart. Some whale is holding SLP from falling, pumped right before the dump. Very damn interesting. That's the kind of pump I'm holding, hoping for Asian. What is Asian? Let's look at the other crypto. WOJAK. WOJAK. Look at that. Look at that pump, man. There's nothing to say. What can I say here, man? You know, just I wouldn't get into it right now. It's like a catching a falling knife, Wojak right now. I would not get into any of it right now. This is not the time to just gamble into this. Yeah, there's no history, nothing, you know. I don't know. I wouldn't gamble into it. You know. Let's look at Wojak. It's exciting to look. These coins pump. Now let it settle down. Settle down to dust. Let it settle down. Looks like it just came out today. What is this? 1 day? Wojak? It just came out? Wojak? Yeah, man. Then I would throw in a few bucks. I wouldn't mind. I wouldn't mind because it's consolidating. Wojak. It just came out today. It just came out today. Where is it available? Is it on Binance Chain, Wojak? So these are the exchanges it's available on. None of them are in the United States. $13 million market cap. Yeah, not bad, man. I would jump at this Wojak rather than Pepe. But again, this thing could go down 99%, okay, from wherever it is. Yeah, it's consolidating. It just came out today. Yeah, you have to be. I think it has possibility to pump. Jam Epic. Price prediction for Epic Cash in 2025. Well, it could go to $100. I said $100 a while ago for Epic Cash. You have to see how this bull run proceeds, right? Yeah, I would say $100 is totally possible. $10 to $12 first, and then a dump between $10 to $12, $10 to $13, and then a massive dump, and then it goes up to, I would say, $100. To be modest, I would say $40, but $100 is possible. $100 for Epic Cash. We'll see where this leads us. Yeah, I was being modest, okay? I don't want to give you crazy numbers just like that, but when you look at the chart, it's you know, you see a rising wedge, okay? This is kind of shark teeth pattern. So I would say Epic Cash, you know, from here, I would say it goes to $10, $12, comes back down for a retest, and then goes for the final run, you know, like this. You see the numbers, right? This is where 268 is. Usually coins like to do this, 268. Then you know where the number is, right? But I don't want to pull these numbers just like that, but it could go crazy, okay? Epic Cash. Yeah, we'll see. Right now, the first step is come to, you know, $12, $13, come back down, and then we'll see how far it goes later on, step by step, okay? Without getting excited. Everything depends on what's Bitcoin doing, what's Ethereum doing, and, you know, how long this bull run is going to last. Shrey, can you check SLP? Man, I checked SLP so many times, brother. You know. Look, I was charting this SLP. How long it's going to consolidate, bro? I don't know. I don't know how long it's gonna consolidate until this is the range for me to, you know, get rid of some of the SLP. See the top of the channel, because I do expect a dump, a massive dump, somewhere in August, you know. If this does not happen, if we are not able to get out of this channel, the SLP is in this channel. Until it's in this channel, nothing good will happen to SLP, okay? Until it's in this channel, nothing good will happen to SLP. It's possible that SLP comes back down like that, pumps massive, and dumps like that, and then a massive pump for SLP could happen, okay, like that, massive, okay? But I don't know when exactly we will be able to get out of this channel. I'll be as excited as you will be once we get out of this channel. SLP, once it gets out of this channel, you know, it's going to do exciting things, okay? It'll be big, but it needs to get out of this channel. Until we get out of this channel, I'm not bullish right now, you know, until we get out. I see a big spike, and where the monthly close, the weekly close is above this level. See above this level, 0.00293, right? A nice weekly close above this level. This is when I would say, oh, we are ready. SLP is ready, okay? Until we get out of this channel, you know, I'm not super bullish on it will pump, okay? There's no other option, okay? There's no other option except pumping. But it's possible it might do this, okay? You always have to keep this in mind, that it's possible that it might just drag down. Doesn't matter how much it drags, you know, it's just level of faith. How much level of faith you have. I have a lot of faith in this, you know. because Sky Mavis keeps on building. So at some point, if they want to have this game, have people play this game, so they would have to pump this coin to some sort of extent, okay, to at least this level or 10 cents. In the future, I would expect it to go a lot higher, like do this and then go 23 to 33 cents for SLP. Killian Blue, how are you, brother? Free, thanks for sharing as always. Thanks for the $3, brother. Hey Shrey, I diversified my portfolio according to some of your analysis videos and I couldn't be happier. You're the man. Thanks, bro. Sure. Happy for you, brother. Any idea how far XCN might pump? Bill, I'll take a look at it. Look, it's the risk that you want to take. Okay. It's a risk. How much? I really feel that this coin can go to these levels, right? But in such a short period of time, what I was worried about, you saw my numbers, right? I was like, you know, that chart, I still believe in that chart that is in on our Patreon, right? But depends on your greed level, brother. I cannot, you know, it's coming across. It pumped what from? Wow, 10x from the bottom. Oh my God, it pumped 11x from the bottom. I gave this coin at this price, 0.0077. Right? Wow, man. Yeah, I would, because it's coming across this resistance right here. You see? This, and I don't think he'll be able to pass this. It'll be tough for it to pass it. Yeah, it could possibly give out, you know, give out the gains like that and then pump up. Okay, it's possible. I would be a little, you know, cautious at this price. You know, I think we might lose, you know, from here. I don't know how far this will be able to pump, but I will have to go back and look at my chart that I did for XCN on our Patreon. And then, you know, because when I put a chart on Patreon, I put in a lot of time and effort. So, you know, I don't remember, you know, what I did. I have to go back to the chart and then, you know, redo it. But as just looking at it just real quick, I think it's coming across this resistance, which is going to be massive for it to break. I don't think it'll be able to break right away. This run was good, but, you know, it could come back all the way back down to this level before it pumps. Okay. So, as me, I would just, you know, take some profits. Yeah. Had a good run, right? Had a good run. Nothing on the channel is a financial advice, guys. Just my opinion. I'm some guy on the internet. Bill knows. Straight typo. Meant avian. AVN.
Every time I need to go, every time I need to know. Bitch, please call me now. I don't wanna win the war. Win the war. Win the war. Win the war. Win the war.
Bitch, please call me now. I don't wanna win the war. Bitch, please
Yeah, bro, it's on a downtrend, so I don't know how long it's gonna be. There's not much, that I can tell about this coin. It's just constantly going down, so I would just watch out for. See, it's like a falling wedge. It's not super bullish. You go sideways, pump a little bit, and then dump, like that. Too young for me to analyze, brother. Usually that's how it works. Only 104 days, so it's possible it has more downside. I cannot just, do it right away. What is this? Oh, fuck. This coin is May 22nd, right? So right now we are almost close to May 2023. So this is not the right chart. Andrew Siegel, Epic Cash is a gem. Yes. After Fed Now, CBDC, and the latest junk called Unicoin, there'd be a lot of people looking for Epic Cash. Saying, fair enough, definitely a gamble, but we'll put any profits into Epic Cash. Okay. Guys, it's been an hour. I will take off. Okay. I will see you tomorrow. I'll try to come live every day. Okay. I will try to come live every day. I will see you tomorrow. I feel good today, so hopefully I'll pop one of these Zertex again. So I'll be able to come live tomorrow. All right. I'll see you later. Have a good day, good evening, good night, wherever you are on this beautiful planet. Signing off.